Ang SGLG is the gold standard set by the national government for local government unit to shine so that we can serve our clientele better. Maugid ni siya ang objective sa SGLG. And it should be remembered among our employees na dili ni ang award per se. What the DILG wants to happen and what I want to happen actually is we can create the culture that is, of course, aligned with SGLG. Nga, regardless na ang awards or na nagid na ikinabuhi na sa ato ang mga empleyado. Like a TQM, a total quality management culture in government. SGLG is more or less the same. So, ang ako ang hagit sa ako ang heads of office is very simple. Study the mandates set to us by the Department of Interior and Local Government Unit. Then, make a policy in your respective offices so that all employees under our different departments na i-assess sa SGLG makinabuhi. So, it will be part of the system. So, mauni siya ang i-assess karon whether or not we have already created a culture. It's not the compliance of the documents required by law. It's not the things that we make just to comply. Kung dili katug yung tinuoray nga objective sa SGLG sa ato ang gobyerno. By then, makaingon ta na nakuha na ito ang seal of good local governance.
But this year, hopefully, nga ato na yung magkabot no, ang atong kadaugan, no? Ato na yung kanang panitamutan na makarga kita kay lamig paminawon na makadawat ang putag awards or incentive. Kaning tanan, naragini sa kamot sa Ginoo pinagi sa ato ang mga SGLG team, no? Na daog kita.
Feel ba ang award sa ato? If not, then still the same we fail. Even if we don't have the trophy, as long as slowly, baby steps, na-feel sa mga tao ang gihatag na mandato sa ato to comply under the SGLG, then I think all local government units have won the SGLG. We are creating a culture. It's not the compliance of documents per se para lang makuha ng mga award. Kaya ang objective yun ako pagbalikod o sa katapusan. It's not the award, but rather create a culture among local government unit employees and personnel to be able to serve our people. Daghang kayo salamat.